Diane and I primed and painted the walls in the bathroom. And today, Paul is going to do the trimming in the bathroom around the shower and install the door. I reinstalled the electric baseboard heater in advance of installing the baseboards. Then the new custom vanity will be installed. This is a trim board for the wall in the bathroom. All right. Good. Finished nail gun. The pony wall is covered up with a nice 1x5. Now,
perfect.
DeWalt,
Black & Decker.
Black & Decker. So you're gonna have to rip it.
Cut a little bit of that off.
Oh, you only had to make a small notch then, huh?
Yeah. Somebody would have left this flat like I had it, and we wouldn't have this problem. It's perfect there. Because of the lip of that thing.
There's a plastic clip under there.
What should I do there?
Creative mind at work here.
Should I?
We're making some progress on the trim here. Okay, I don't know how to properly hold that to hand it, but
Shoot it up here at this time.
and then the iPhone came and I could throw out my camera case and bag and even backpack for good. Paul will finish up the trim around the shower this morning, which is looking good, and installing some baseboard. Soon the vanity will be in place. Or you're concerned about the plumbing.
Always.
I got the thermostat hooked back up. There was no electrical issues. And now we are ready to install, well, to hang the door, right?
That's right.
We got it in, and now first nail just to keep it steady as we level it. Well, Paul will level it. I'll record that. This pre-hung door is a little bit wider than most.
It actually is.
Fortunately, it fits, but it's going to leave little wiggle room to adjust any sort of leveling. Wow, that's really close.
Yeah, it's good.
So we don't have to worry about too much wiggle room. The purpose of the changing the screw is what?
Security. Because this goes into the stud.
Okay.
These two screws will do nothing.
Right.
They go into drywall.
All right, I get it. Especially on...
So if your door is good, then go ahead and secure it. And that saves me from putting a bunch of nails in here so the plumber or the painter doesn't get mad.
And the painter would be me. So this is a heavy door. It's shaker style, it's solid.
Therefore, that's why another reason why you put screws in.
It's MDF, medium density fiber.
Fiberboard.
Fiberboard.
Yes, correct. And
They tend to be heavy. It is creeping a little bit, but you know, one thing about these doors, they haven't been upright 100% of the time during the last few months. So there might be some change in its shape a little bit from humidity and temperature. That seems pretty good to me.
that's fine. I'm just being anal here.
Delete?
Didn't have much room here. That's not good.
I don't know if that makes it tighter. Well, there we go. One wrap with the hammer.
You may have to. So this one's gonna be tight.
Yeah.
So the only thing I'm gonna recommend is when we put this on,
Yeah.
I guess I could tweak it a little bit, but I don't really like doing that. In other words, a lot of times you can cheat them by twisting it. That's cheating.
You thinking it's a little too close for the hardware to...
That's what I'm
No.
thinking. That's what I was
Okay.
saying, but it's gonna be close.
Okay.
So when we get ready to put this hardware, we'll take one of my screws and it'll suck it over another.
Okay.
Or we dado this out a little bit better.
Yeah, I've done that before myself to when I change the hardware to clear the door.
I don't like it. This up here, we can throw a nail in that. I'm gonna throw a little nail right there. Perfect. There you go. Absolutely perfect fit. I'm so happy for you.
Oh, I am so happy too. Starts with the top trim.
Always put your header in first.
So you got to measure from the low
Short point.
short point. Okay. No way to hook it there. So what was that finesse of the cutting?
Chisel away because of the line. I couldn't line it up.
Oh,
well
okay.
with the blade.
Basically just like what I do with the hand file.
Absolutely.
Were both sides pretty much equal length?
They're about an eighth off.
Oh.
Yeah, close.
Wow. Okay.
Pretty close.
Well, that is tight.
Well, it's off a little bit, but we're cheap.
But it hides the seam. You don't have a...
But it gets that baseboard back there.
So the glue helps seal and also makes for a better connection.
Well, sure. Glues them together.
So the end isn't painted?
Well, look at it.
Yeah, we'll get the door jambs painted after the door's fully installed.
After you putty.
Yeah. There'll be some touch up. There always is. That's cool. Look at that, man. Sweet. I would have put a bead of glue the full length.
Well, it was dripping down.
Oh, okay.
That's why I put it at the top.
It's invisible from here. Got it.
Yeah, this is the important edge anyway.
Yep. Let gravity do the rest.
Yeah.
Paul really gets into his work.